Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here's another GCSE exam style starter question. This question is about reverse mean. Please pause the video and give this a try. When you want to check the answer against mine, press play. Emily owns a cafe. One week, she recorded the number of customers served each day. From Monday to Friday, the mean number of customers per day was 68. Okay, so we know Monday to Friday, mean was 68, but that's 5 days. 68 times by 5 is 340. So 340 people were served in the 5 weekdays. For the whole week, the mean number of customers per day was 85. Okay, now let's consider the whole week. So that will be 85, but that's the mean for the 7 days. So you need to multiply 85 by 7 to get the total, which is 595. Now, the moment we did these two calculations, it's very easy to figure out the number of people served on Saturday and Sunday, the weekend. Obviously, that will be 595 take away 340. So that gives us 255. So we know 255 people were served on these 2 days. Now, on Saturday, we know it's 142. So that's 142. What about the number of customers served on Sunday? So that's very easy. It's 255 take away 142. Final answer 113.